If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. Alright, so we went near $17,400 pretty much. So from this point onwards, you want to be a little bit extra careful because what can happen here, we don't know. We had a pattern, which was this pattern right here, and you moved to the upside, broke out of the pattern, and you went to the technical target as well. So what can you expect? And as I said in yesterday's video, if I bring in the EMAs, you can see that you did the very same thing the last time, okay? You made the final push, you made a doji. In here, you made the final push, made a doji, and the ugliest part of this is you ended up closing below the 55. Here we are. Look at that. Notice how the 55 comes down and it was just a wick above the 55, but now you're below the 55, which tells me today you might be looking for that candle to really go below the 55 once again. And that's just a warning that I'm going to give you. I cannot speak too much. It's not going to be a detailed analysis. But the thing is, you have to be careful, basically. So now we have an area that we need to see get broken. And that is going to be this trend line right here. Take the trend line from there to there. And it's the trend line. So what you want to see for Bitcoin is move down, move up, move down, move up. And you're going to be making maybe ascending triangle and try to break above this place, back test. And you could be good to go potentially to $19,000 or even $20,000 from there, because that's going to be a pattern in play. But right now, it depends if you do come to the upside and break that neckline and continue higher. So pretty much it for this update right now. I'll see you in the next one. Love is.